More than 18,000 applicants have made it as the University of the Philippines releases the results of the 2026 UPCAT Mobile Journal. Ray Vicente has the report.
Pagbati sa mga bagong iskolar ng bayan. The University of the Philippines announced a total of 18,350 passers out of 147,437 applicants passed the UP College Admission Test 2026. This is slightly higher than last year's 17,996 successful examinees out of 135,236 applicants, wherein UP Diliman continues to receive the largest share of qualifiers at 32.4%.
This year, we saw an increase in the number of UPCAT takers compared to last year, an indication that more and more families continue to take their chance at UP as a place where their children's potential can truly grow. Out of 147,437 applicants, 18,350 or 12.44% received admission notices, including those admitted to degree programs and those, take note, waitlisted.
More than the numbers, UP President viewed UPCAT 2026 as inclusive, echoing the increase in numbers of passers from public schools and indigenous community. Angelo aimed to push for a 60-40 ratio in favor of public schools, where the trend of rise in public school representation continues since 2023.
What we find encouraging is not only the growth in numbers, but in what those numbers represent. Students from public schools, including science high schools, public science high schools, now comprise 57.1% of our qualifiers this year, compared to 42.5% from private schools. This percentage of public school qualifiers is higher than last year's 55%.
Meanwhile, there are 439 qualifiers from indigenous communities, representing 2.4% of all qualifiers from the 379 or 2% last year. UP shared of having programs that help expand the reach of UPCAT to far-flung areas.
And then they also provide bridging programs wherein they teach math, science to augment knowledge so that they can be prepared to take the UPCAT. They also inform our students about the programs of the university, like the NACAP scholarship and everything that can support their studies when they enter UP. So this affirmative action program actually increases the awareness of our students, senior high school students, so that they can be encouraged to apply.
Test takers may access the UPCAT 2026 results portal through this link in your screen. Kapatid Ray Vicente, we are One News.